Dear students, today we are here on exercise 13.2 and before beginning of exercise 13.2, first let me tell you what are the laws of exponent. Now why we use laws of exponent? Laws of exponents are only used in the condition when we have to save our time and also we have to save our too much of paper also. Why too much of paper? Because laws of exponent के थ्रू हम किसी भी क्रिटिकल क्वेश्चन को इजी फॉर्म में सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इजी फॉर्म में कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर 2 to the power 4 एंड समवेयर आई एम राइटिंग हियर 32. ठीक है, सो अगर आपको मैंने बोला 32 से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 64 को, विल बी अ लेटर प्रोसेस. ठीक है, बट अगर मैं आपको बोलूंगी 2 to the power 4 एंड 2 to the power 7 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, so with the help of laws you will be easily doing it. ठीक है, by using the laws of exponent. Now let me discuss what are the laws of exponent. Before we begin, I want to mention, always remember, this is called base. Okay, this is called base, this is called exponent. ठीक है, this is called base, this is called exponent, or you can call it also power, and together when we write it we call it exponential form. Now I am going to teach you first law. The first law is, suppose you have the numbers like x to the power m, x to the power n. Remember, if you have same base, in between you have a sign of multiplication. बहुत सारे ऐसे नंबर लिखे हैं जिनका बेस सेम है, ठीक है, पावर डिफरेंट है, और उनके बीच में द साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लाई यू फाइंड. दैट मींस in all total all the base will be written as common and powers will be added. इसका एग्जांपल मैं बताती हूँ. सपोज आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कर रहे हो, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन में आपने देखा यू आर गेटिंग 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, then you are getting 3 into 3 and then again you are getting 2 into 2. ठीक है, सपोज 2 2 2 2 2 1 2 3 4 5 2 की पावर 5 1 2 3 की पावर 2 1 2 2 की पावर 2. सो सिंपली हम क्या कर सकते हैं, यू हैव द सेम बेस 2 की पावर 5 2 की पावर 2. तो सिंपल वे में आप एक बार 2 की पावर 5 और 2 ऐड कर दिया, 7 आ गया और 3 की पावर 2 आ गई. सिंपल वे. इट मींस इफ यू हैव सेम बेस different powers, in between a sign of multiply is there, in that case powers are always added no matter what is the base. What is the base means it is true for integers, it is true for fractions, it is true for negative numbers, it is true for fractional numbers. For example, if I tell you 2 की power 7 2 की power 3, it will give you 2 की power 10. You have minus 3 की power 4 minus 3 की power 3, it will give you minus 3 की power 7. Okay, if you have 1 by 2 to the power 5 into 1 by 2 to the power 7 will be added 1 by 2 to the power 7 plus 5 will give you 12. ठीक है, it means this law is true for every number as a base. Every number as a base means you can have a decimal number, you can have a normal number, you can have an integer, you can have a fraction. It is true for all the cases. This was the first law. Okay, now the second law is just similar like that. Similar like that means only you have one change, that is the sign of division. Now what is the law of it? Remember, if you have the same base, different powers, but being the sign of multiply की जगह पर you have the sign of division, in that case the powers will always be subtracted. Now कैसे power subtract करेंगे? जो power पहले लिखी होगी वो minus the second power. यहाँ पर larger smaller वाला कुछ नहीं होता बेटा, है ना. ये नहीं करना है आपको कि यहाँ पर स्मॉलर वाला आपने सोचा है कि बाद में ही आएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता. जो नंबर पहले लिखा है वो रहेगा माइनस टू देन द नेक्स्ट नंबर. फॉर एग्जांपल, I am giving you some examples of it. 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 5. What will be there? 3 to the power 7 minus 5, which will give you 3 to the power 2. But what if I give you the question 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 7? Can you all tell me what will you get in this case? 5 पहले लिखा है, 7 बाद में लिखा है, आपको क्या मिलेगा इस बार? 3 to the power 2 only you will get it, or 3 to the power minus 2? Abhishek is telling me minus 2. How 0, Utkarsh? 1 is 5, 1 is 7. How 0 will come, beta? Yes, you will get it minus 2. 3 to the power 5 minus 7. और आपको आंसर मिलेगा minus 2. ठीक है, अब हम और आगे सॉल्व करते हैं. सपोज अ नंबर इज 1 by 2 to the power 5 divided by 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. Can you all tell me what will you get? जल्दी से बताओ, देखते हैं सबसे पहले कौन बताता है. What do you think? In the last case, what will you get? 1 by 2 power is 5 divided by 1 by 2 power is minus 5. Okay. Saransh is telling 0. Samagrata is telling 10. Shrishti has written only 1 by 2. Ma'am, if the power is also same, then we will discuss it, Pragyan, about it. Okay. It means I can see many of the students are giving me the answer 0. Okay. And only few students are giving me the answer 10. Now let's see whose answers are right. It is telling 1 by 2. We will have this 1 by 2 only, beta. After that you are knowing the powers should be subtracted. तो सबसे पहले नंबर कौन सा है हमारे पास? 5. हम 5 लिखेंगे. Then m minus n होता है, तो फिर माइनस आता है तो हम माइनस भी लिखेंगे. उसके बाद आती है सेकेंड पावर जो कि मेरी -5 है, तो यहाँ पर आएगा -5 because 2 minus cannot be written together. So it will give you 1 upon 2 to the power 5 minus -5, and which will give you 1 by 2. 5 plus 5, which will give you 10. 1 by 10, 1 by 2 to the power 10, which was the answer of Samagrata. I think only Samagrata was there. She gave the answer 10 power. Otherwise, most of you have given the answer 0. Please keep in your mind, beta, you have to not forget that you have to put minus in between because you are having the division sign. भले इसमें माइनस लगाओ या दोनों में माइनस लगाओ, हमें उससे मतलब नहीं है. We only have the law that you have to take out the difference of the powers. So वो आपको करना ही है. You have to take the minus, भले पहले से माइनस क्यों ना दिया हो. ठीक है. Now along with this, I'm going to give you one more question. Please tell me because you are most of you have done this question wrong. So I'm giving you one more question of it. -5 की power -3 divided by -5 की power -8. Tell me faster. Let me see how many of you give the correct answer for it. Same base, different powers in between the sign of division. What should be the power in this case? Yes, Saransh, you are right this time. Yes, Abhishek, you are also right. Fine. Correct. Now let's understand. -5 is the same base. So we will not do anything with the base because base is common. Now power needs to be subtracted. ठीक है? So -3 will remain -3 only. We will not do anything with it. अब हमको पता है कि हम subtraction करते हैं तो ये subtraction का sign आएगा. Then you have the next number that next power is -8. So it will give you -3 minus -8, which will give you -5 -3 minus will give you 8 plus 8 and -5 की पावर आ जाएगी 5. इसके लिए आपका इंटीजर का कॉन्सेप्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए. For this you need integer concept to be strong. If it is not, please revise it thoroughly. Addition, subtraction of integer. Okay, so please keep in your mind how to subtract negative number from a negative number, how to subtract negative number from a positive number. This should be clear. Now move on to the next thing. Third law. Third law says that you cannot write a power into its negative form. अभी आपने देखा कुछ नंबर की पावर पॉजिटिव आ रही थी, कुछ नंबर की पावर नेगेटिव आ रही थी. तो याद रखिए अगर आपके पास कोई नेगेटिव पावर है, जैसा अभी हमने जस्ट किया, तो हमारे पास आ रहा था -5 की पावर, सपोज -5, या हम लेते हैं 5 की पावर -5 है. ठीक है. So always remember, if you have a number or you have a base with negative power, कभी भी याद रखो जब हम आंसर लिखते हैं तो हम नेगेटिव पावर को अवॉइड करने की कोशिश करते हैं. we write down answer in positive power. ठीक है. How to solve it? Keep in your mind, if you have a number with negative power, you just do the reciprocal of the number. I'm talking about the base. Okay. Always do the reciprocal of the base. Can you please tell me what is the reciprocal of 5? What is the reciprocal of 5? फटाफट से बताइए, what is the reciprocal of 5? Do you all remember the concept of rational number? Yes. X, you will have reciprocal means 1 by 5. You will not have -5. -5 is an additive inverse. It's not reciprocal. 1 by 5 will be the reciprocal of 5. So it will give you 1 by 5 and this power will become positive now. ठीक है. एक बार फिर से बताते हैं. If you have any base as the negative power, if you have a number with having the negative power, you just simply do the reciprocal of that number. मतलब x का हो जाएगा 1 by x and the number power will become positive. Okay, the power will become positive in that case. ठीक है. सपोज अगर मेरा क्वेश्चन होता -5 की पावर 3, okay, -3 sorry. So how will you do that in case? -5 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता है बेटा? -1 by 5 और पावर बन जाएगी पॉजिटिव. Just simple step. You have to do the reciprocal of base and your power will become positive. This was the third law. Now let us understand the fourth law. Fourth law is power of power superpower. Okay. Power of power superpower means, let me tell you how power of power. Suppose you have a number as x, इसके ऊपर लगी हुई है पावर a, होल पावर लगी हुई है b, उसके ऊपर भी पावर लगी हुई है c, कितनी भी पावर लगा लो. ठीक है. If you have any number, if you have any base and you have power, then again you have power, then again you have power. Remember, simply all the power will get multiplied. ठीक है. All the power will get multiplied. For example, it will give you the same base. Base को हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे. A multiplied B multiplied by C. All the power will get multiplied. For example, if you have 2 की power 3 to the power 5, can you please tell me what will you get the answer? 2 की power 3 है और फिर उसकी power 5 है. What will be the answer right now? Tell me faster. Okay, correct Saransh. Subhanshu, correct. More students, please tell me now faster. What will you get? 2 की power 3 है और उसकी power भी 5 है. Atul Aryan, correct. Right answer. Yes, Pragyan, you are also right. Remember, the base को हम कुछ नहीं करेंगे बेटा. The base will remain same. We will not touch the base. The power will get multiplied. 3 से 5 का multiply हो जाएगा. 3 into 5, which will give you 2 to the power 15. Okay. Now tell me, if I give you this question, then how will you do? 2 की power -2 and power is 5. What will you write down as the answer? I want the power positive. I want the positive power. Tell me what should be the answer right now. Use third law and the fourth law together. Let's see how many of you give the correct answer. I want the positive power. दिमाग लगाओ और solve करो. Great, Saransh. Very good. Atul Aryan, you are also right. Samagrita, I want the positive power along with the answer. Don't only write the base. I want the base also. Shivanshu, okay. Fine. Now I have got many answer. Now look at here. सृष्टि आप ऐड कर रहे हो बेटा पावर को. पावर ऑफ पावर मीन्स पावर विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई. आप पावर ऐड कर रहे हो बेटा. प्लीज डू इट करेक्टली. लुक एट हियर. पावर ऑफ पावर मीन्स पावर विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई. मतलब 2 विल रिमेन सेम, बेस विल रिमेन सेम, -2 से 5 का मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, विच विल गिव यू 2 की पावर -10. ठीक है, 2 की पावर -10 आ गया. और आपने जस्ट अभी पढ़ा है किसी भी नंबर की नेगेटिव पावर को अगर हमें पॉजिटिव बनाना है तो बेस का रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. और अगर आप बेस का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे तो नंबर क्या बन जाएगा बेटा? द नंबर विल बिकम 1/2 to the power 10. So the answer will become 1/2 to the power 10. So these were the 4 important laws which we have done it today. We still have some laws left which we will be discussing in our next class. But we have done these questions which as an example. Saransh wants more question. So Saransh, okay, right now you write it down. Other students can leave the class. If you want to do the questions, you can wait. If you want to leave the class, it's fine. So let's understand the question. Suppose I give you 7 to the power -3 to the power -7. To the power 7, sorry, not -7. -3 and positive 7. Try this out. Seven to the power -3 to the whole power 7. Okay. Convert into positive. Saransh, convert into positive now. Always remember, try to write answer in positive power. हमेशा कोशिश करो हमारा आंसर पॉजिटिव पावर में होना चाहिए. ओके. करेक्ट समग्रता, करेक्ट शुभांशु, सारांश फाइन. ओके. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड बेटा. पावर ऑफ पावर मीन्स 7 इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा -3 into 7 बिकॉज पावर ऑफ पावर विल गेट मल्टीप्लाई. उसके बाद बेटा 7 की पावर हो जाएगा -21. ये तो हो गया सिंपल आंसर. बट यू आर नोइंग वी ट्राई टू राइट द पावर इनटू इन पॉजिटिव फॉर्म. सो इट मींस 7 की पावर -21 है तो 7 बन जाएगा 1/7 एज अ रेसिप्रोकल and the power will become positive now. 1/7 की power 21. So this will be our answer now.